again. But it's for my county. Y'all.
The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Delaware County and northeastern Oklahoma.
That's literally me.
County and northeastern Oklahoma.
That's literally me.
Favorite County and northeastern Oklahoma. Northeastern Wagner County and northeastern Oklahoma. Cherokee County and east central Oklahoma until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:43 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Spavinaw to 3 miles east of Locust Grove to 2 miles southwest of Shorto, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following attacks are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Calico, Shorto, Westhill, Locust Grove, Salina, West Siloam Springs, Langley, Colbert, Kansas, Halbert, Spavinaw,
And that's me.
Oaks,
Colbert. I am in Colbert. Oh god.
Leach, Cloida, Scraper. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the
Oh
building.
no.
Yes, and we've met so many good people, and some of those are some friends that we've known for years and all. So it was really fun. And we're going to try to do one more if we can.
Cold front was located on southeast Kansas with a few showers and storms along
For anybody who missed it, we'll let you know the details later.
for storms.
All right, thanks, Jim. And take a look at weather, what's going on right now. Watch a couple things going on. First of all, the storms that are developing out west, moving east, and Jay needs to keep an eye on this. Even though the severe thunderstorm warning has been canceled, and also the one in Tulsa County, we still have the severe thunderstorm warning to the east. Now, these are expected to still pulse back up to severe limits because we still have cells that are just developing in several areas. In fact, they were just like that. New warning is issued now for northern Payne County. So that's just kind of one, and so we anticipate there will probably be a lot more. And we'll get Tulsa back into a severe potential as well. And then this is a new severe thunderstorm warning now.
Severe storms are expected to erupt along an incoming cold from across central and southeast EAS. Discrete development early on is expected to be complete relatively quickly. The reasoning behind this most likely lies within nearly uniform direction of flow along the cold front.
Thunderstorm warning. It should take us past the about 7:30, 7:45. Right now, Stephen has a list. I'll get out of the way so you can look at it at this point. But this is the latest from Twin Oaks around 7 o'clock tonight. Little Kansas at 7:05, and then also around Flake Creek at 7:11. And so if you are in these areas, expect a line of strong to severe thunderstorms continuing to push to the south and east. So I'll be taking across portions of Cherokee County.
We're closer to the front, which is currently seen across EAS on the latest mesoanalysis. Values or greater than 2,500 joules per kilogram will be common elsewhere. These elevated instability values are and will be driven by hydro points well into the 70s and temperatures in the upper 80s to lower 90s. Mid-level lapse rates are not as impressive, not that they were too impressive to begin with rates around 7 C/kilometers. So localized pockets near 7.5 C/kilometers are possible. The melting level is also a little on the high side at around 600 megabytes. With that said, marginally severe hail still remains possible within the most robust updrafts, especially earlier in the storm evolution where storms will tend to be a little more distinct. The greatest threat for severe hail will generally be north and northwest of I-44 this evening, with hail affecting pong ball size possible. Here will be sufficient for organized severe weather. Effective bulk shear is still trending to exceed 40 kts along the line, while in the lowest 1 kilometer may approach 100 m2/. Locally, especially within a small corridor near the OKKS border, with forecast photographs suggesting some curvature north and northwest of I-44 being possible, with slightly more confidence and slightly more winds at the surface for locations to the northwest of Tulsa.
It's the rain, thunderstorms, and Ron is looking. Notice all the lightning coming around the Salina area.
Sorry, but what?
Early on before the low transitions to become more linear MCS, with the tornado threat becoming very limited within the southeast moving line. A major limiting concern.
There we go. Finally.
Roberts in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Rogers County in northeastern Oklahoma, southeastern Osage County in northeastern Oklahoma, southwestern Mays County in northeastern Oklahoma, southwestern Washington County in northeastern Oklahoma, northern Wagner County in northeastern Oklahoma, northeastern Tulsa County in northeastern Oklahoma until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:47 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 4 miles northeast of Collinsville to 4 miles northwest of Owasso to 6 miles west of Sperry, moving southeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and 75 hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following effects are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Tulsa, Broken Arrow, Claremore, Owasso, Skiatook, Catoosa, Collinsville, Verdigris, Shodo, Inola, Sperry, Dulagong, Vera, Turley, Tulsa International Airport, Tewa, Iowa, Lindsay, Murphy. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 223 and 254. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
TIA means Tulsa International Airport, and then also Sand Springs 714, Jinx is 729, Bixby at 741. Okay, let's take a look at what it looks like from downtown right now. So this is downtown looking to the north. It's kind of basically the shelf cloud, some of the outflow from that thunderstorm, and so that's where that is located at this particular moment. And we're looking, Vaughn, let's move on just real quick. Vaughn, just a very short, quick update. Where are you getting heavy rain?
That's it. And there goes my detector.